please don't pay unauthorized construction penalty after regularization under Building Penalisation Scheme BP? No. The rule contest illegal recovery. 1. What happens when a building is regularized under BPS? The government has introduced Building Penalisation Schemes (BPS) to regularize buildings constructed without permission or with deviations on payment of the prescribed regularisation, penalisation charges, and other applicable fees. Once the competent authority regularizes the construction under BPS, the construction is no longer liable to be treated as an unauthorized construction for the purpose for which the BPS regularization has been granted. What does the law say about unauthorized construction penalty? The important statutory provision is subsection 5, section 85 of the Andhra Pradesh Municipalities Act 1965, which provides for penalty on an unauthorized construction till such unauthorized construction is demolished or regularized. The words or regularized are crucial. Therefore, unauthorized construction penalty may be levied. But once construction is regularized under BPS, the basis for continuing the unauthorized construction penalty ceases. The normal property tax, of course, continues to be payable according to law. 3. What is the problem in Greater Vishakhapatnam Municipal Corporation (GVMC)? If GVMC continues to show and recover a separate unauthorized construction penalty every year, even after the building has been duly regularized under BPS, the property owner is entitled to question: under which specific rule is this penalty being continued after BPS regularization?
If GVMC cannot identify a statutory provision authorizing such post-regularization penalty, the recovery is open to challenges without authority of law and contrary to the statutory scheme. 4. BPS charges are not merely another annual tax. The owner has already paid the prescribed BPS penalization and regularization charges for obtaining regularization. BPS is intended to regularize the earlier unauthorized construction, not to convert the one-time penalization into a perpetual annual penalty. Therefore, GVMC cannot continue treating the same construction as unauthorized, merely for collecting an additional recurring penalty, unless there is clear statutory authority for doing so. 5. What should the affected property owners do? Every owner whose building has been regularized under BPS should check the property tax demand notice and assessment. If unauthorized construction penalty continues to appear after the date of BPS regularization, do not ignore it. Submit a written representation to the Commissioner, GVMC, requesting deletion of the unauthorized construction penalty from the date of regularization, recalculation of the property tax without that penalty, adjustment or refund, as legally permissible, of amounts already recovered after regularization, and written identification of the specific statutory provision under which GVMC claims authority to continue the penalty after regularization. Message to public: BPS regularization is not meaningless. When the government has accepted the prescribed BPS charges and regularized the building, the owner should not be compelled to continue paying a penalty for an unauthorized construction indefinitely without clear statutory authority. Pay the lawful property tax. Demand for the legal basis of the additional penalty. Contest recovery that has no authority of law. Every affected property owner should verify, represent and, if necessary, seek appropriate legal remedy. They should also write their comments in the comment column below this video, since how long they are paying the unauthorized construction penalty, even after regularization under BPS, mentioning names and mob numbers to create awareness about the illegal recovery to all concerned and fight unitedly to put an end permanently for this illegal recovery. Please circulate this message widely for the benefit of all concerned. KSDD Raju, mob.no.9666050555